Hi there. I have just opened a blank document in Lucidchart and we are going to learn our, we are going to see how many shapes we can insert in a document with free version. So I am going to insert few shapes one by one, selecting from flowchart shapes, and we are going to see how many diagrams we can, how many shapes we can insert in a document. So I'm going to insert a now data shape, now database, and now in the first row we have 7 shapes, then 7, 7, 21, 28, 35. I'm going to copy these shapes. Now you can see a pop-up menu is open. I think there is a internet problem or something else. So you are out of free shapes for this document. Start trial and add unlimited shapes and more. Don't worry, we will see you an email and remind 2 days after your trial is end. So I'm going to close it. Now you can see we have pretty. Now in this page we have 37. Then we have missing 2 shapes here and 2 shapes here and 6 shapes here. Now I'm going to open calculator, then 35 in first, and these 2 rows are complete. 14 and 5, 6, 6 and 5, 11. So in this video we learn that we can create up to 60 shapes within a document with free version in Microsoft, sorry, in Lucidchart.